French defense company has revealed a new giant drone. The model is called the Aarok. The Aarok drone was secretly developed by French defense company Turgis Gaillard. The Aarok is said to be the largest drone ever built in France, with a whopping 22 meters wingspan. The wingspan of this new drone is even larger than the MQ-9A Reaper. The drone's weight is said to be 2.5 tons. The Aarok has been in development since the year 2020. The drone is classified as a medium altitude long endurance. Its intended use is for intelligence gathering, surveillance, reconnaissance missions, and strike operations. In its maximum setup, the drone weighs roughly 5.4 tons. The drone's empty weight is approximately 2.5 tons, while its highest payload capability is around 2.9 kilograms, including weaponry, with a maximum of 1.5 kilograms. The drone can remain in the air for more than 24 hours. The most interesting is the drone can launch from the uneven terrain. The power plant of the Aarok drone is Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6, a 1,200 horsepower turboprop engine. The company, however, intends to outfit these drones with alternative engines like the Safran RD-3 or GE Aviation Catalyst. Regarding the payload, there has been discussion of potential installation for either the Westcam MX-25 or the Euroflare 610 systems for ISR missions. The Aarok drone has ample space and power beneath its wings to house various payload systems. The drone can carry multiple types of equipment, including optical electronic cameras, multi-mode radar, and radio reconnaissance systems, all at the same time. In addition, the Aarok drone can carry out strike missions while equipped with the AASM Hammer, a modular air-to-ground weapon designed by French company Safran, and is projected to have a firing range of 35 kilometers. The AASM Hammer can be configured with warheads weighing 125, 250, 500, or 1000 kilograms.